How to process SIGTERM signal gracefully. Let's assume we have such a trivial daemon written in Python. And we daemonize it using startstopdaemon, which by default sends SIGTERM signal on stop. Let's suppose the current step performed is number 2. And at this very moment we're sending term signal. What happens is that the execution terminates immediately. I've found that I can handle the signal event using signal.SIGTERM handler, but the thing is that it still interrupts the current execution and passes the control to handler. So, my question is it possible to not interrupt the current execution but handle the term signal in a separated thread, so that I was able to set shutdown_flag equals true so that main loop had a chance to stop gracefully?
A class-based clean-to-use solution.
First, I'm not certain that you need a second thread to set the shutdown_flag. Why not set it directly in the SIGTERM handler? An alternative is to raise an exception from the SIGTERM handler, which will be propagated up the stack. Assuming you've got proper exception handling, for example with /context manager and try column ... finally column blocks, this should be a fairly graceful shutdown, similar to if you were to Ctrl+C your program. Example program signals test.py. Now see the Ctrl+C behavior. This time I send it SIGTERM after 4 iterations with kill $PSO, grep signals test, awk/python/ print $2:. This time I enable my custom SIGTERM handler and send it SIGTERM.
Here is a simple example without threads or classes.
I think you are near to a possible solution. Execute main loop in a separate thread and extend it with a property shutdown_flag. The signal can be caught with signal.SIGTERM handler in the main thread, not in a separate thread. The signal handler should set shutdown_flag to true and wait for the thread to end with thread.join.